Greeting everyone. Today we are discussing very important chapter trigonometry. Firstly, you will like, share and subscribe my video for next update. Now trigonometry is very important chapter for competitive examination and degree also. For senior classes it will be huge, very important. Now today we are discussing about the trigonometry. Firstly, what is the define of trigonometry? The define of trigonometry, we divide the trigonometry in three parts. Three parts. We divided trigonometry in three parts. Now try plus gono and plus metron. It is a Greek language, a Greek words. Now try means three. Gono means size and metron means measurement. Then we can say that the definition of trigonometry is measurement of three sides, and we know in the geometry we know that the triangle is the this type of who has the three sides. Now the other definition of the trigonometry, the relation between sides and angles of a triangle is called trigonometry. It means, now here we are discussing about the trigonometry. The simple definition of trigonometry is the relation between sides and angle of a triangle is called trigonometry. Our great mathematician Aryabhat has given the trigonometry for all world. He have given the six trigonometry ratios. Now we are going to next step, the six trigonometry ratios. Six trigonometry ratios. So now trigonometric ratio. Six ratio trigonometric. You have learned it. Six ratio, very important ratio. First is sine, second is cosine, third is cotangent, third is tangent, next is fifth is cosecant, and last is secant. So now six trigonometry ratio: sine, cosine, cot, tan, cosec and secant. Now we write its simple name. Simple name means generally we will use sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. It is a nickname, you can say, nickname of T ratios. It is very important, and you will learn this type of trigonometry in the sequence, because it is very important for us. Because if we will be learn it in a sequence, so we have no any problem about the solving the question and other formulas. Now the third step of this, how can third step of this? If we have given a trigonometry, a triangle ABC, it is right triangle. Right triangle means one angle of the triangle is 90 degree. Then how can we will use here the trigonometry ratios? Here the short name is T ratios. T ratio. So short name. Firstly, if you will take this angle, now sin C equal to the opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. You know that it is hypotenuse, it is perpendicular and it is base. We know in a right triangle we have given the two sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now other word we can write perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sin C equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Similarly for cos C, the name is also adjacent side of angle C. This is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side of angle C. So now we write here adjacent sides of angle C by hypotenuse. Clear? Opposite side, adjacent side means this side, that is called adjacent side, and this is called opposite side of angle C. Now again adjacent side means you can see base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse is simple word B by P. You can learn B by H because hypotenuse is there. Now first we can write what? Tan C equal to perpendicular and base. You can see the other word we write here opposite sides of angle C by adjacent side of angle C. Yeah, otherwise you can say perpendicular by what? Perpendicular by base. Yeah, the use as B by B. Now similarly cot C is base by what? Perpendicular. But here you can say B by P. Similarly sec, right here, sec C equal to opposite of cos C, it means B by H. H by B. Next cosec C equal to H by B. Now here we are discussing about the relation of sine, angle and sides of a right triangle. Now sin A, sin C, cos C, tan C, cot C, sec C, cosec C. Now we will learning a simple formula of this. If you will learn it, how can we write and how can we remember it? Now we write a formula. We will learn a formula P B P upon this type of formula you will learn. P BP and HHB. Yeah, simple word you can write Pandit Badri Prasad upon Har Har Bole. The remember is Pandit Badri Prasad and Har Har Bole. ये other Pakistan Bhuka Pyasa and Hindustan Hara Bhara. You can learn. Yes, you can learn the Pandit Badri Prasad and Har Har Bole. Then If you will learn 3, you can say for sin p by h perpendicular by hypotenuse, simply b cos b by h and tan p by b. It is a simple game and it is a solution. You can learn it in the Pandit Ladli Prasad Bhai Har Har Bole. Other is Pakistan Yogavyasa and next is Hindustan Harabal. It will be learn it. Very simple method. You can remember it for the long time. Now, how can sin, cosec and cos, sec and tan? What cot? Now we will discuss about the reciprocal. Simply matter, we will make a hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. It is a hexagon. And right here, sin theta. Theta is the angle. Yeah, notice theta is the angle. It is not. In the previous classes, we have understood about the can let x, y, z. Here for angle, we will let it is a theta. Angle means 60 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree. That is called theta. Here cos theta. Now here tan theta. Here cot theta. Here sec theta. Theta is not confusion because it is an angle. It is an angle, not confusion about the theta. Theta is a simple angle. Angle means x angle, y angle. Let it is a theta angle. 60 degree, 40 degree. If we have given the particular angle, so we put the angle 60, 80, 90, the replace of theta. Again, you will remember this type of hexagon and many formulas you will make for this figure. Now firstly we will check reciprocal of T ratios. Yes, I have drawn a figure of hexagon and right here top is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sin sec theta and cosec theta. What is firstly we will relation about the reciprocal. Reciprocal means opposite reciprocal. So this type of sequence that is called but diagonally. This type of this are opposite to each other. For example, sin theta cos theta is opposite of sin theta. It means cosec theta. Simply, if cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, 1 by means it is a reciprocal of each other. Simply for cos and sec, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Yes, second sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Again for this type here, this is a this and this here, this and this. Now third is this. It means tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta and second cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. It is reciprocal of each other. Reciprocal means ठीक opposite. Numerator change to denominator, denominator change to numerator. It means this type of sin theta is a reciprocal, cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, tan theta and cot theta. Cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta is a reciprocal of cot theta. Similarly, cosec theta is sec theta. Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, and sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. If you will be write down this figure, you can find out the many formulas, near about 30 and 40 formulas of this figure. First 3 formulas, 6 formulas we have done by this figure. It is called reciprocal of T issues. Now secondly, the relation between trigonometric ratios. Second is relation between T ratios. Simple name. Relation between T ratios. But tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. One by one you will take first, then sin theta by cos theta. Relation. Simply sin theta equal to cos theta by cot theta. One by one. Cos theta equal to cot theta by cosec theta. Next, cot theta equal to cosec theta by sec theta. We will take the first part, and next numerator will take second digit, and now denominator is the third digit. Now this time sec theta, and we know that in a previous we can write cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta because it is a reciprocal, and here cosec theta by 1 by sin theta equal to here 1 by cos theta. This is gone where, and this is down. It is called cot theta equal to, you can write cos theta equal to sin theta. But two relations are this and this. It is very important for us. But in this question we can make many relations. Many relation of the T ratios by this method. We will take here tan theta sin theta by cos theta, sin theta cos theta by cot theta, cos theta cot theta by cosec theta, cot theta cosec theta by sec theta, and also we write here cos theta by sin theta because we know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta and sec theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. Both are reciprocal to each other. Now cos is this. Simply we will make many relation about it for these formulas. Now going the third, how can we write complementary angles, complements of the T ratios. Complement of the T ratios. How can we make the complement of T ratios in this chapter? Complement means if we have given the sum of two angles equal to what? If T ratios. Now we know that other name is complements of T ratios. Complement of T ratios. It means this. It is very important. And I think the 10th class is exercise 8.3 is there. So how can we will use sin theta equal to, second is cos theta equal to, then is cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. You can write it cot 90 minus theta. Then because we taken the angle here theta, for here tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Second, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Both are reciprocal to each other. Similarly, if we will take the angle here, similarly this sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. So it is the complementary angles, trigonometry ratio of complementary angles. Now here we write this type of equation: sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Another, how can we write here? It will be proved complementary of t ratios sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta and other. Now today we are making another. For otherwise one, if we will write here one, but then and then this and this. Now sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Prove that left hand side sin theta cosec theta equal to, we write here cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, because cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, it is a reciprocal of sin theta. Now sin theta upon sin theta and equal to 1, we have proved. Similarly, we will make the many formulas reciprocal. It means tan theta multiply cot theta equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta multiply sec theta equal to 1. How can you prove it? This type of formula also, both diagonal side of trigonometry multiplication is 1. Now again, how the last formulas of this: if sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, it is identity, and we will not prove here, but simply we will learn the identity. Many formulas we will make here: sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We have given, if you will learn the one formula, you will find out the many formulas about it. Up next is clear. Second formula is cosec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Second, you can write sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Similarly, what tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. We have given, we will learn only one formula, making the many formulas about that. Third is here this cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now second is cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, transpose of the cot theta. Similarly, cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Many formulas for this figure. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here tan square theta plus cot square theta equal to 1 and sec square theta equal to cos tan square theta equal to what? Tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Next, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cos square theta cot square minus cot square theta equal to 1, and here sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We will make many formulas about it, and these type of question will become in the examination of this identity these. Now, how can we make trigonometry table, T ratios table? T ratios table. It is very simple method, and how can we will find out the value of T ratios 30 degree, 60 degree and other. Now here we will make a simple table. This is here T ratios, here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and last 90 degree, because up to introduction 10 we will only learn up to 90 degree. So here this sin, cos, next is tan, next is here sec and last is cosec. Now, how can we will put the value and find out the sin this 60 degree? So firstly we will write here 0 by 4, 1 by 4, second 2 by 4, next is 3 by 4 and last 4 by 4. And again take its root, take its roots, this root, this root, root, and here also root and root. Clear? And we write here is 1 by 2, because 2 1s are 2, so here root 1 by 2 equal. Now again it is a 0. Now here root 1 by root 4 equal to 1 by 2. Similarly root 1 1 and here root 2. Here root 3 by root 4 equal to root 3 by 2, and here root 4 by 4, so root 4 2 by 2 equal to 1. So you know how can we find out the T ratio? Sin 0 degree equal to 0, sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, and sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. Next, sin 90 equal to 1. And how can we find out it? I explain you that this side also. Here, firstly we can write 1, 2, 3, 2, 3 and 4. Again divided by 4 each element, each numbers. Then take the root, root 0 by 4 equal to 0. Root 0 equal to 0. Second 1 by 2, 4 root equal to root 1 by root 4 equal to root 1 1 and root 4 equal to 2. This is this value. Now third 2 by 4 equal to write down 1 by 2 and taken its roots. So root 1 by root root 1 equal to 1 and root 2 equal to root 2. Simply for third 60 degree, root 3 by 4, it means root 3 by root 4 equal to root 3, or here 2. Next 4 by 4, you can say 4 by 4 equal to root 1 and root 1 equal to 1. So then we find out here, okay, how can we find out the value of sin theta? So then sin 0 degree equal to 0, sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, and sin 90 degree equal to 1. Now I erasing it. Because if you are confusing about it, then clear it. Now 1 by 2, root 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And I have explained you how can we find out this type of value of 0 degree angle. Same cos theta we will come in the reverse. Reverse means the value of 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equal to cos 10 degree. It means reverse. We are coming in the reverse. Reverse means this come here, to same here 1 by 2 and last. Understood? So if you will learn only 1 t ratios, you will make all trigonometry ratios. The value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now again, if we will find now rest before, I have discussed about how can you find out these values, and similarly for cos theta, we will come its reverse. Now again tan theta. Tan theta, we have write down a formula, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. In just before I have discussed about it, sin theta by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta, here you write sin by cos, here sin by cos. So then sin is 0 by 1 equal to 0. Second 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 should 2 cancel, then we will get 1 by root 3. Simply here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 go up and it down. So root 2 by root 2 equal to 1. Similarly, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 by 2 multiply root 3 by 2, 2 cancel root 3, and it is not defined because 1 by 0 equal to not defined. And you can say it is infinite. Clear? So how can we find out this? 0 sin by cos, it means 0 by 1 equal to 0, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, 2 cancel 1 by root 3. Similarly root 2 cancel 1, and here 2 cancel root 3, and 1 by 0 equal to not defined. I have erased this because it is बहुत complicated. Now again we write the value of 0 here 1 by root 3, here 1, here only root 3, and now not defined. Again here cot, we will not write here cot, sec, and last is cosec. cosec. Again for cot, cot is a reverse of tan theta. Reverse of tan. Simply cos is a reverse of sin. Similarly cot is reverse of tan. It means first is not defined. Come here. Second is root 3. This is 1. This is here root 3, and now it is 0. Understood? Means cos is reverse of sin and cot is reverse of tan. Again for sec, we know that for sec is a sec equal to 1 by cos, you can say theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. तो now reciprocal में ठीक opposite, तो 1 by 1 equal to 1, 2 by 3 root 3 by 2, तो 2 by root 3 reciprocal, 1 by root 2 it may reciprocal root 2, here 1 by 2 तो 2 and 1 by 0, it means not defined. 1 by 0 means 0 by 1, so it is not defined. Not defined. Because reciprocal, it is 0. 0 means 1 by 0, so it is not defined. Similarly, for last, cosec is a reverse of what? Sec. So here not defined. Now 2 or root 2. Second is what? 2 by root 3 and last. And simply you will find out the cosec theta also sin theta, because we know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Simply we can make the sec theta reciprocal of cos theta. Simply cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So we will find out this type of table. Here you can learn, if you will learn only one t ratios, you will find out the all trigonometry ratio through the sine. And now a question, which type of question are coming in this exercise? So now today we are discussing about which type of question is coming for this exercise. Now here first, now if we have given tan theta equal to 3 by 4, clear? So we know that tan theta equal to what? Before perpendicular by base. Now this type of situation is here. It means this is the theta angle, perpendicular this base and hypotenuse. So what it means 3 by 4. So we have given perpendicular equal to 3, in it let's suppose 3 in it, there constant 3, base equal to 4. Now we will find out the value of h, hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, what? By Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Then we have given base equal to 4 square plus 3 square, it is h square. Now 4 4 is 16 plus 9, h square, and h equal to root 25, and we know that it is 5. So we will find out the h equal to 5. Here h equal to 5, and we have also given base equal to 4 and perpendicular equal to 3. Now here, if sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse equal to 3 by 5. Now cos theta equal to cos theta base by h, so then 4 by 5. Cot 10th we have given, cot is base by p, it means 4 by 3. Sec theta reciprocal of cot, so it means h by b equal to 5 by 4. Last is cosec theta equal to what? Opposite of sine. The sine is this, h by b equal to 5 by 3. Clear? So now how can you find out it? It is this type of question. If you have given this and we find out the all trigonometry ratios from this question. If you have given the question is to find out, write down it. Next question for T ratios table. If evaluate means find out the value, what? Find out the value, what value? Sin 60 degree, and next is cos 30 degree, second is plus sin 30 degree plus and cos 60 degree. So in previous table we have already learned sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, yes, 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2 plus sin 1 by 2, and 60 degree also 1 by 2. Then root 3 multiply root 3, and here 2 multiply 2 plus 1 by 2 multiply 2. Now root 3 multiply root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now we will take LCM. 3 by 1 equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. The answer is 1, because we have find out the value of we will already understood about the sin 60, cos 60, sin 30, tan 30, everyone. So we will find out this type of question. Now again, one type of question is the complementary types of question. It is very important for the examination. Write down it. How can you find out? If we have given a question is there, tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, and tan 67 degree equal to 1. Prove that. We have already understood about this type of question. We write here. Now how can you write it? Here we will change tan 90 minus 42 degree. Tan 90 minus 42 degree. Because here 48 90 degree minus 42 degree equal to tan 48 degree. It means we will can change here. Tan 48 degree equal to, we can write 90 minus 42 degree. Simply here write 110 equal to 90 degree minus 67 degree. In this type of question, how can we will solve? If we have given, we will change the 210, the value of 10 in the 90 degree minus something. Some student have a mistake here. Second, how can we write here? 10 23 degree equal to 10 90 minus 67. It means if we will minus 90 minus 67 degree equal to, we will get 23 degree. So we can write 10 23 degree equal to 90 degree minus 67 degree. Now we go on to next step. It is a left hand side. Okay. Similarly, this time we cannot change 10 45 degree, 42 degree and 10 60 degree, 67 degree. Now complementary of 10, we write cot 10 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. So now here we have 10 90 degree minus the place of theta equal to 42 degree. Here cot theta, it means cot 42 degree. Here understood now? Because here 43 degree is the place of theta degree. So we can write cot theta 42 degree. So here we write it cot 42 degree. Here 10 90 minus 60 degree equal to 90 theta equal to cot theta, and we write here 90 minus 67 degree equal to cot 67 degree. Now we write place of cot 67 degree, and here 1042 degree and here 1061. Again we write here, we know that other reciprocal of cot equal to 10. Reciprocal of cot equal to 10. It means cot 42 degree, we can write cot 42 degree, we can write 1 by 10 42 degree, because it is a reciprocal of each other. Similarly, cot 67 degree, we can write it is cot 67 10 67. Again change 1 by 10 42 degree, multiply, it is sign of multiply, 1 by 10 67 degree, and here 10 42 degree and 10 67 degree. So 10 40 cancel out. Yeah, equal to 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. So we have proved. Hence proved. Hence proved. Understand? Means this type of question we should be understood about, yeah, remember about the how can we write it. Change of complementary, reciprocal of the T ratios already we have learned about before. Now the next question is coming. It is also very important question for this. Now if right here, if 10 2a equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, and find the value of a. Find the value of a. In this question, We will use also complementary of what? Complementary of tan A. So in what is the complementary? Because we can write tan A theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Short. So it means we have here the theta equal to 2a. So write it means we can write tan 2a equal to cot what 90 minus 2a. Put here tan 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Now for complementary this formula use, we can write cot 90 minus 2a equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Yes, this angle equal to this angle because t ratios are same, cot same to same, but angles should be equal. So it means 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18 degree. Yes, what? Transpose of each other. So 90 plus 18 degree, transpose of 18 and a plus 2a, transpose of 2a. So now 108 degree equal to 3a, then transpose of 3, so a equal to 108 by 3. So what? 36 degree. Yes. Divided 180 degree by 3, so equal to 36 degree. So now we find out the value of 36. A is 36 degree. So students, today we have discussing about all the formulas and how can we will change my discussion, and you will understood that it's for next video we will discuss about what. Now again the question is coming for the examination point of view. We will done it. That's a long procedure, but simply how can we write it? Now this, the next video we will discussion about other. Now thank you and have a nice day.